going to give you a second to try and solve this problem on your own. Let's see a few students who haven't begun.
I have a blank piece of paper and then you have to do the problem. Is this for 4th and 5th, right?
Great. One warm up for both.
Take out this paper.
Ah, clever. Clever, good.
Can you put this piece of paper too? Ethan, here's a piece of paper.
Oh, yeah.
Do the warm-up. Oh, you do? Okay, sorry. Here's it. Sorry. Please start looking at
Hey, Dominique, how are we going to solve this problem?
They made 8 different types of gumballs, and they made 896 gumballs. So we're just gonna do 896 divided by 8.
So we know the total number of gumballs they made is 896. Is a lot of gumballs. And we know that there are 8 different kinds of gumballs total. Now we could have formed our 8 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we could have placed 896 gumballs in each of our 8 groups. We could have gone 1, 2, 3. And we could have counted all the way up to 896, but that would take a really long time, right? Is there a faster way of solving this problem? Spencer? I could have divided 896 by 8. But what if I'm not good at division? Is there another way I can solve this? I know. Division's tricky for me. Yeah.
That would be 2.4.
That one thing we learned in lesson 2.4? Right, what was that one thing?
It starts with a C or P.
Oh, Emma?
I'm just saying. Wouldn't you minus 196 minus 8?
196.
I mean 896 minus 8.
Ah. Close. Justin?
Good. Round.
You could estimate. You could make an estimation. Excellent. Garrett?
You can minus 8 by 6 and then 8 by 9, then 8 by 8.
You could minus 8 by 6 and minus 8 by 8 and 8 by 9?
You could do 6 minus 8.
6 minus 8, is that what you're saying?
And then you could take 1 from the 9, making it 16, which is a 2.
I'm not sure I understand.
It is, so it would be 6 minus 8.
Right.
Since you can't do that, you're going to take 1 from the 9, making it 16, and there is 2 8s in 16.
Ah. So he decided that he didn't need to solve the whole problem. You just needed to find the last digit.
Now you have to do that one, and then the last one would be 8, and then another 8, so it's easy. Just one more.
I think that you have found a really cool way to solve this problem, but I don't think I understand it. Sorry.
I'll explain.
Okay.
So divide 800 by 8, divide 90 by 8, divide, and then, I don't know how to divide 6 by 8, I don't know about that.
So
You
instead
can use
of looking at this
portions,
big
and then you
number,
can minus them all up.
yeah, instead of looking at this big number and trying to approach it all at once, I can break it down into 2 smaller problems. I can actually say, well, how many times does 8 go into 800? Or, and how many times does 8 go into 96? And I know the trick with zeros, right? What's 800 divided by 8? Courtney?
8.
Oh. Well, then why'd you raise your hand? Eric?
0.
0? 8 goes into 800 0 times? But we're not divided by 0. Justin?
800.
8 goes into 800 800 times?
Oh.
Bennett?
80.
Huh? 80? How many times does 8 go into 8? 1.
100.
And then how many zeros did I ignore? 2. So what's my answer?
100.
100. Now, who knows their multiples really well? How many times does 8 go into 96? Seth?
12 times.
12 times. Great. Now I have 2 separate answers. I have 100 and I have 12. Dominique? Add them together. So my answer becomes 112. Excellent. Good warm-up, guys. Jessica?
In simpler forms, what he said is basically do the last couple numbers and see what the answer is. And then, like, I've done it before a lot.
Yeah, it sounds like you guys are using some sort of process of elimination to narrow down your right answer. It
So,
sounds
like,
really interesting.
Do, like, maybe doing 52 times 7.
52
And
times
give
7.
you, like, 4 answers. And then four different answers, like A, B, C, D.
Uh-huh.
Then you, the last one, 52 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. And one of the answers, only one of the answers has 14.
Okay, so if you don't know how to solve the problem all the way, you can solve the problem part of the way, and then use that to help you solve. But then how would you know it wasn't 12?
You do the next chapter.
Oh, okay, you have to solve further.
Just not, you wouldn't finish all of it, just do the steps.
Cool. Cool, there's always a lot of different ways to solve a math problem, right?